Hello everyone, my name is Rita and I have been staying in MPR Madhupakrit Block B from past 10 years. First of all, I would like to thank all the team members who have come here in our support, including the media, because this is not about only Madhupakrit. If today it is Madhupakrit, tomorrow it could be any community that is flourishing. So my first question to the team who has proposed this Gandhi Sarovar project is, what essential beautification do you identify at the cost of 450 plus family in Madhupakrit and the alongside areas of Madhupakrit? This project is not that so essential that you have to demolish and make 450 families suffer. And I want to question the team. Where is the assessment? Where is the assessment that you have conducted mentioning how many livelihood will be at the cost of this project? How the biological impact it is going to bring? Where is the assessment being published that this is the reason we are coming up with this project? Constructing one idol at the cost of so many families is not even, a small child will also think. So being in that such a big power, you do not even consider the people who have chosen you. Always remember, if a public can choose you, public can take you off. Government is by the people, for the people. You cannot become a government from the support of people and then go against those people who have chosen you. You go for development. Why you want development with demolition? What is the concept of state government lands? Why are those lands given to state government if you want private lands? Then surrender all the government lands being allocated. If you cannot identify one government land where this project can be, you can go ahead with, then surrender all the state government land that has been allocated to you. There is a concept of giving a private land and you are acquiring private land for such a cause which is not even empowering in any of the sectors, any of the fields. You have already a place allocated for Mahatma Gandhi ji. If you really feel like you are a very big follower, you can enhance the area that is already given for this purpose. You cannot keep on extending your boundaries at the name of development. I, on the behalf of entire Madhupakrit family, highly condemn the act that you are doing right now, and we object whatever proposal has been raised. We highly object. We are not ready for any compensation. This is our place. This is our fundamental right, and no one has rights to take our fundamental rights from us. Thank you, everyone.
1 minute. See, my request to all, please zoom this. This is of Osaka, Japan. One highway is going through. No. This highway is going through building. See, highway is going through building means the building was not demolished for the purpose of any public purpose. Here, nothing in this project, nothing is public purpose. And in earlier governments also, we have seen so many flyovers constructed by the earlier government without disturbing any public houses. In the same way, my request to all, please see, sir, please highlight this in assembly. Please highlight this in assembly and request them not to go through houses and do development. We are not our తెలుగులో ఓకే తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. అది ఒసాకా అనే నగరం జపాన్లోది. అక్కడ ఒక బిల్డింగ్ మధ్యలో నుంచి మీరు చూస్తే హైవే పోతుంది. ఒక హైవే కోసం కావాలంటే గవర్నమెంట్ అక్కడ బిల్డింగ్ కూల్చేసేయచ్చు. కానీ బిల్డింగ్ మధ్యలోంచి ఒక హైవే తీసుకెళ్లిపోయి ఆ బిల్డింగ్ కూడా కాపాడింది, పబ్లిక్ పర్పస్ కూడా సాల్వ్ అయింది. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే మన నాయకులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేసేది ఏంటంటే, మన గవర్నమెంట్ అసెంబ్లీలో అదే పాయింట్ రైజ్ చేసి బిల్డింగ్లు కూల్చకుండా మీరు డెవలప్మెంట్ చేయండి అని రిక్వెస్ట్ వాళ్ళకి తీసుకెళ్తారని మా మనవి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. మనం ప్రీవియస్ గవర్నమెంట్ లో కూడా చూసాము, ఎవరిని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకుండా ఎంత ఫ్లైఓవర్స్ కట్టారు మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. గచ్చిబౌలి ఫ్లైఓవర్ కానీ ఏదైనా కానీ ఎవరిని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయలేదు. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే మీరు గవర్నమెంట్ కి ఈ పాయింట్ తీసుకురండి. మధు పార్క్ కానీ ఏదైనా మూసి చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న వాళ్ళని ఎవరిని డిస్టర్బ్ చేయకుండా మీరు ఎంత డెవలప్ చేయగలిగితే అంత మంచిదని మీ ద్వారా మేము విన్నవించాలని చేసుకున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.